Hey you guys, my name is Glenn and I'm just an average guy cooking things that if I can cook them, you can too. For today's recipe, I am sharing with you guys how to make Mexican rice. This rice is very similar to what you would find in a Mexican restaurant, has very good flavor to it and isn't very difficult to make at all. So let's go ahead and dive into today's recipe. So for our ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cups of long grain white rice, 1/4 onion chopped, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 ounces of diced green chilies, 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 cup of coffee. Oh, sorry, I forget about the coffee. 2 cups of chicken broth, and 1/4 cup of water. So we're going to start by browning our rice in a pan with a little bit of olive oil that's been preheated to about medium heat. And one of the keys here is you just want to keep stirring it around until it gets to a light golden brown. Once toasted, we want to add our water. Our onions and our green chilies, and just kind of stir that up a little bit. Then we're going to add our tomato paste, our garlic, and our cumin. And we're going to continue to cook this, constantly stirring it until our tomato paste is pretty much coated in everything and all the water's evaporated. And now that our rice has a good color to it, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken broth. Then we want to stir it up just a little bit more, making sure all of our ingredients are evenly mixed, and allow it to come to a boil. And once boiling, we want to reduce the heat all the way down to low, cover it, and let it cook for about 22 minutes. Once our time's up, we want to take the lid off, let all the steam out, turn our heat off, cover it back up, and let it sit for about another 10 minutes. Then it's time to serve. As you can see, I served these to my family with some refried chicken enchiladas. I'll leave a link down in the description below for that recipe, as well as have a card pop up here shortly. Alright, thanks for watching today's recipe. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell so you'll be notified of future recipes. Also hit that thumbs up, it helps the channel out. And if you've made this recipe, please leave it down in the comment section below, or if you have any questions, I'd like to hear from you. But until the next time, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy these enchiladas and rice.